Peter, you got a sec? What are you up to?
Oh, you know, the usual. Spider-in, man-in. What's up?
I just wanted to thank you again for that first lesson. I mean, I thought we were actually gonna do stuff, but now I'm like so full of knowledge, this whole thing is unreal.
When nobody's shooting at you, it is, in fact, fairly rad.
So, when's our next lesson?
Oh, I don't know, Miles. There's a lot going on.
I've been finishing all my homework early, and all my chores are good around the house, and I haven't dunked on a single fool in basketball once, I swear.
No, that's all great, Miles. You're doing a great job. I'll, let you know as soon as I'm free, okay?
Okay, yeah. Awesome, thanks, Peter.
Bye.
And away we go! Oh, can't wait to see what thrilling action Spidey brings to the table for Season 2!
You know, I'm actually in talks with this competing subscription service, so...
Please, I basically discovered you! And if you leave, my fans will be so upset. Angry flash mobs upset! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Okay, since last time, I modified the Trojan she installed to ping her location each time I do one of her shows. Once I get enough pings, I can triangulate, find her hideout, and send her on early hiatus, straight to Rikers. If they see me, the hostage is dead. Got it.
Hey, you know what I'm in the mood for? A photo bomb! One down, many more to go.
Hell, the bug's here.
Ha ha ha! Sensor's back online.
Another sensor down.
Aw, now that is a photo bomb! Oh, look at that! A photo bomb! Better get over there! Odd Job Bob 34 says, JSYK, I just reported you to the police. Ha 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 ha! You messed with the wrong streamer, Bob. Prepare to be doxxed. There, camera's back. Don't do it again! Look at Spidey go! Excuse me, did you miss that photo bomb on purpose? Because now I'm really sad. Photo bomb!
Blinded it.
Yeehaw! My sensor's back, you cheating little troll.
Just like in school, I'm a chronic underachiever.
My webcam just shut itself off in shame.
I think I'll go on patrol for a while, try to clear my head.
my comment section lately, so my amazing fans are heading out to the streets to track down all the haters.
Amazing fans, unhinged escaped inmates. Potato, potato. I better make sure nobody gets hurt.
OMG! This is gonna make a great clip for social. _Ari_87 comments. I'm staying up to watch this all night. Let's mix things up with a photo bomb.
Get him back there!
Aw, now that is a photo bomb.
What's he doing? You got a death wish? I can help with that.
Garnet Forever 69 says, I have no idea what's going on, but I love it!
Bring him back, guard! I'm gonna crack your skull!
Photo bomb! Don't miss it!
Look up, you moron! Get up there! Down, you mark! I don't care! Holy crap!
Yes! We're shooting to the top of the front page!
Blow him away! Somebody, stop him!
Yes! Look how many of my fans came out to support me! Oh! Don't miss the photo bomb!
Look up, you moron!
Oh yeah, keep that good content coming, SM!
I'll break your friggin' jaw!
Ooh, love!
Don't let him get you! I'll teach you respect! Watch out!
So close to perfection.
A performance like that is never gonna land me a seven-figure book deal!
Listen up. We can't let Hammerhead continue to arm himself, and those burrowing tanks will tear apart our lockup. I'm spreading the remaining Sable gear throughout the city. Give him multiple targets. Force him to thin his men out.
Okay, what do you need from me?
Protect the transports. We'll have multiple runs in transit at once. Be ready to back up any that get into trouble.
You got it.
Once the gear's relocated, we'll focus on Hammerhead. Stay sharp. Lives are on the line.
Not liking what I hear in her voice. I gotta make time for Yuri after this. She gives me a lot of grief, but I can't let her down. Let me see if I can pick up the police comms channels.
Unimpeded. Repeat, Convoy 3, progress unimpeded.
Route appears clear ahead. No hostiles visible.
Safe House 2, ready to receive.
Okay, so far, so good.
Maggio witness transport in progress. Available.
Gotta move quick and quiet.
One down, many more to go. Let's mix things up with a photo bomb! Ooh, how did he not see that coming? Ha ha ha! Sentry's back online! Another one down! Oh, hey, Rastapasa757, thanks for the follow. Photo bomb! Don't look at Spidey go!
How do you do this so quiet?
Reminder, y'all, I'll be doing an AMA later tonight, so get your questions ready. Yes! Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater!
Yeah, fine. I'll look.
There, camera's back. Don't do it again!
Man, told him to be careful.
Sparky Malarkey 43 says, are those real guns? Ha! Keep watching, Sparky, and we'll find out. Yeehaw! My sensor's back, you cheating little troll.
Good, but I can do better.
I think you need to spend a little more time on the web.
All available units, be advised of property destruction in progress. Report came from the vicinity of Riverside.
Get Spider-Man! Oh, Death Wish, huh? What the hell is that? We're losing too many guys!
Hey, Peter, you still busy?
Little Miles. Why, what's up?
It's just, I'm really itching to get back out there. Keep training, get working on my Spidey skills.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Things have been so...
I know. You're super busy. So I was thinking, why don't I just come with you?
Come with me. Where?
Yeah, like one of your missions, or quests, or patrols, or whatever you call them. Taking down bad guys, stopping evil, That stuff, the superhero stuff.
I think it's a bit too soon for that, Miles. Though I definitely appreciate the offer.
Why?
Well, it's not like the movies, You can get seriously hurt. There's some pretty bad dudes on the streets right now.
Well, I gotta learn somehow.
I know. We'll get together soon, okay? I promise.
Hey guys, it's time for another very special episode! Are you ready? Do you have snacks? You should get snacks! Thanks to that cutie little Trojan I slipped into your suit way back, you can only use 2 of your gadgets. No cheat codes!
Good thing my gadgets are so awesome.
I'm not going back inside! Down here!
That's it! Give me something to make an emote out of!
Damn it!
Hey! You know what I'm in the mood for? A photo bomb!
I'm gonna feel this! Take that! What's he doing?
That was effective with a capital
What the? This'll hurt! Got a death wish? I can help with that! Gonna clip your wings!
Are you even trying?
Say your prayers!
Looks like I gotta play along.
Show me what you got! Look out for his webbing!
That's it! Give me something to make an emote out of!
Man down! He's just one!
You know what's my fave? Yeah, you know! Photobombs!
Gonna wreck you! Guy's a freaking acrobat!
That was effective with a capital E! Oh, now that is a photobomb!
Look out! Just try and hit me! Got a death wish? I can help with that!
Photobomb! Don't miss it!
Gonna crack your skull!
Show us what you got, Spidey!
Let me show you what I got!
Good thing my gadgets are so awesome.
Don't let him get behind you!
Pins are lined up! Knock them down!
Wait this!
That's it! Give me something to make an emote out of! Here comes the photobomb! Oh, now that is a photobomb!
Rush him! Bring him down! Don't let him web you!
That was effective with a capital E!
Gonna wreck you!
Oh, I am so gonna gift this!
Just try and hit me!
Photobomb! Don't miss it!
Eat this! Ain't gonna win!
Yes!
I'm not going back inside!
Show us what you got, Spidey!
How'd you like them at? Watch out!
Spidey! You absolute unit!
Stand down!
Oh, look at that! A photobomb! Better get over there! Ooh, love.
What the?
LOL! Look at them squirm!
Not gonna lie, feeling pretty good about myself right now.
What the? I just broke a new viewership record!
Seen Screwball's new series?
Hey, screw you, man! It was your idea! No, it wasn't!
Hammerhead's really going with public executions for likability? Let's all just put the guns away and go home. No? Well, I had to try. Well, you tried it.
Thanks, Spider-Man. That was close.
We got cut off there, Miles. You said you wanted to come with me somewhere?
Yeah, you know, like one of your missions, or quests, or patrols, or whatever you call them. Taking down bad guys, stopping evil, you know? That stuff, the superhero stuff.
I think it's a bit too soon for that, Miles. Though I definitely appreciate the offer.
Why?
Well, it's not like the movies, you know? You can get seriously hurt. There's some pretty bad dudes on the streets right now.
Well, I gotta learn somehow.
I know. We'll get together soon, okay? I promise.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Teens make me feel ancient.
Nobody's putting me back in the suit.
Good! This was getting so predictable! Time for a fight sequence!
Watch out!
Come on, SM! We want more photobombs!
How you like this? This is
Alright, I know I have more fans out there! Show your support live right now!
What's up, you and her?
Well, I guess that's technically a picture. Guarded Forever 69 says, I have no idea what's going on, but I love it!
Look out!
Oh! Don't make the photobomb!
I got him! You'll pay for that! I get him! Get the bug!
Aw, now that is a photobomb!
Don't let him take you out! Get clear! Grenade!
Ow!
Watch out! Pansies are letting him win! Got her! No mercy!
We're shooting to the top of the front page!
Just need a clear shot. What is that?
Yes!
Yeah, come on! We'll get him!
Oh! Don't miss the photobomb! You're gonna be internet famous, and you're gonna be internet famous, and you're gonna be internet famous, I promise! Ooh, love!
What the hell?
It's like every punch that's me new likes!
We'll put him down already. Knock this away like that!
Best photobomb ever!
Get the bug! Try and hit me! Watch out! Whole neighborhood! Guys, we can still win this! Never going back to prison!
Almost awesome. I should put that on a business card.
That was fine, I guess, but not a single site picked up our feed.
The code I manipulated in Screwball's Trojan. It's collected enough data that I can actually track her location. Got her. Huh? Anybody streaming? Okay, well, I guess I just gotta grab the right... Ah! What the...
OMG! OMG! You should see your face!
You're not here. I should have figured.
Your little code manip was cute. But did you really think that I, the queen of memes, would let you catch me that easily?
I was kinda hoping.
LOL, SM! You know I'm Spidey fan numero uno, but if we collab IRL now, how will we ever make season 3?
We could always not.
Aw, don't be like that. I'm sure I'll see you soon. Enjoy your rap party, SM!
Rap party?
Gonna make you pay for that! How you like this? Wreck you!
You guys even get Screwball's feet in prison?
Oh no! Ice this loser!
Why don't we all just log off for today?
Don't let him take... Watch out! Watch out! Stay still! Heads up!
Thought you were...
Not so difficult! Fight like a bear!
I think I've seen the last of Screwball. For now. I've got to figure out how to track her down. The internet won't be the only thing she breaks.